Seafood pasta, gluten-free. Today I'm going to show you how to make this, and it is absolutely amazing with some great Terry tips, and it's something you're going to enjoy again and again with your family. Let's go. I'm going to make a mirepoix. I mean, wonderful thing about a lobster stock is it just doesn't take any time to make, unlike a chicken stock. So I'm going to chop these up, and we're going to saute them with the lobster shells, cover it with water, and simmer for a bit. So this is cooking. It's a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. It's the things for the mirepoix, and I'm going to go ahead and put a little salt in, and let's get this nice and caramely before we move to the next step. Here's a real time saver. I've had my local fish shop actually cook the lobsters for me just for 8 minutes, so they're nearly done. And they've given me these gorgeous shells, and what I'm going to do is make an amazing stock that actually we're going to cook the pasta in, and it's going to be off the hook. In this pot, I've had the mirepoix, I've added the lobster shells, and I'm just crisping them up a little bit, and then I'm going to add water and cover and simmer for 20 minutes. And here we go. I kind of like this part. I'm not really a science person, but this is the kind of science that I absolutely love, cooking. The next step is to take the lobster shells out, and then what I'm going to do is actually strain this liquid here, and I'm going to wind up with some nirvana that we're going to cook the pasta in. It's going to be amazing. I want to get these thawed. They are nearly thawed, but let's go ahead and just add some cool water. It should take about 5 minutes, and these are going to be ready to poach. So I'm going to put these lovely big shrimp in, and I'm just going to poach them for a minute and then grab them out. So this is what they also did for me. I mean, look at how gorgeous this is. They did such an amazing job. I use Dirk's Fish Shop in Chicago, but I love to find small local places that will take care of their customers like this. So find one in your area. The next part, I'm going to want some of these lovely shallots that I got from the farmer's market, and then we're going to need butter, and I'm cutting it in pats, and you might wonder why I'm doing more, and that is because I'm doing two versions, a gluten-free and a regular. We're just going to toast the pepper dry until it's aromatic, then we're going to add red pepper flakes and the oil. It's the beginning of a lovely sauce. We're going to put these gorgeous shallots in, and we're really just going to make them translucent and wilty, and then we'll keep going with the sauce. We're going to add these gorgeous tomatoes. We're going to add wine in a bit and butter, and this is becoming our luscious sauce. We're going to add this wine and let everything reduce down. And I can't wait to show you what it looks like then. I've added the butter and combined it. Now I'm adding the seafood. I'm cutting the tails in half and adding all of the bits of lobster and shrimp, and let's just warm it through. It's going to be so good. The gluten-free pasta's in here cooking away in the stock, and the outcome is unbelievable. There's a bunch of work up until this point, but now it's easy. We're almost ready to eat. And here it is, the gluten-free pasta. This spooned over the beautiful sauce. I'm tossing it together, and basically the friends who are having gluten, they're feeling a little bit jealous of us right now. Finished product, and how great does this look? I cannot wait to dig in. By the way, we're doing things like this at No Crumbs Left all of the time. Lots of great step-by-step ideas of what to make next in the kitchen, and most of it's gluten-free.